Well students, topic of the video is said if x and y are two sets, then the value of x intersection y union x complement is, this is universal set, this set is x and this set is y. So y union x is whole part and complement of this one is external part of this one. So external part of x union y is this part, internal external part. This part is a y union x complement. Now intersection of x, this is x, this part is x, x intersection that part, complement part of x union y having no common element. So this one is phi. Why phi? Because here is x and in the x complement part there is y union x complement. So having no common, so this one is null set. Or you can prove or you can find this is by another way. This is by Venn diagram, and by another way by using De Morgan's law, x intersection y complement intersection x complement. So x complement x intersection x complement intersection y complement, this one by De Morgan's law. What is De Morgan's law? A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B whole complement equals to A complement union B complement. So by De Morgan's law, using this formula, y union x whole complement, this one is y complement intersection x complement, by using this formula. Now from this line to this line by commutative property and x intersection x complement, this one by distributive property, x intersection x complement is null, so this one is null, null intersection y complement is equals to null. So final answer is null set. Next sum is, if the sets A and B are defined as set A equals to xy such that y equal to the power x, x belongs to R, and set B xy such that y equal to x, x belongs to R, then B is a subset of A, B is proper subset of A is proper subset of A, B, A intersection B equals to null, or A intersection B equals to A. Now you see that this is x axis, this is y axis, and this line is y equal to x. Why this line is y equal to x? Because y equal to mx is line passing through the origin, and here m equals to 1, m equals to tan 45, so this angle is 45 degree, and y equal e to the power x is equation this one is y equal e to the power x. So see that there is no common point between the line y equal to x and the curve y equal e to the power x. So A intersection B having no common element, so A intersection B is a disjoint set, so A intersection B equals to null set. Next video discuss few more sums.